Hi, let me show you how to change alarm volume on iPhone. And firstly, let's open Clock and I'm gonna show you how to customize your alarms. For that, click on Alarm tab on the bottom and then tap on plus to add new one. Now you need to pick right time by swiping up or down. You can set repeat for this alarm. You can name it here, change its sound, and also enable snooze. So be aware that here you cannot adjust alarm's volume, you can just change its sound. And to adjust its volume, you need to go ahead and open settings, find sounds and haptics, and here you'll see this slider to change ringtone and alerts volume. So basically with alarms volume, you'll increase or decrease ringtone's volume. But to do this, you just need to drag this dot right to increase it or left to decrease, just like that. And alarm's volume will be adjusted immediately. So that's it for today. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.